Slide 1. India's economic outlook is a key focus for policymakers and investors. Recently, the International Monetary Fund released its growth projections for 2026. Here's the question: what is the projected GDP growth rate for India in 2026 according to IMF? A. 5.8%, B. 6.5%, C. 6.8%, D. 7.0%. The correct answer is option B, 6.5%. Slide 2. Kristalina Georgieva is a well-known name in the world of international finance. She leads one of the most influential financial institutions globally. Which organization does she currently head? A. World Bank, B. World Trade Organization, C. International Monetary Fund, D. Asian Development Bank. And the right answer is option C, International Monetary Fund. Slide 3. The Godavari River is one of India's most important water sources, and its water disputes are handled by a dedicated body. Which tribunal is responsible for adjudicating Godavari water disputes? A. Krishna Tribunal, B. Narmada Tribunal, C. Godavari Tribunal, D. Mahanadi Tribunal. Correct answer, option C, Godavari Tribunal. Slide 4. India's space agency, ISRO, continues to make headlines with its satellite launches. What is the designation of the recent GSLV launch discussed in the July 2025 updates? A. GSLV F-15, B. GSLV F-16, C. GSLV Key, D. GSLV F-14. The answer is option B, GSLV F-16. Slide 5. To make justice more accessible, the government launched a unique portal. Which sector primarily benefits from the e-Dakhil portal services? A. Banking, B. Consumer grievances, C. Education, D. Transport. The right answer is option B, Consumer grievances. Slide 6. The National Crime Records Bureau plays a critical role in maintaining crime data in India. In which year was the NCRB established? A. 1950, B. 1956, C. 1986, D. 1990. The correct answer is option B, 1956. Slide 7. The University Grants Commission is working to expand academic ties with other countries. Which country was mentioned in recent UGC collaborations? A. USA, B. UK, C. Australia, D. Japan. The answer is option B, United Kingdom. Slide 8. The Central Board of Direct Taxes is responsible for managing direct taxes in India. In which year was CBDT established? A. 1947, B. 1961, C. 1964, D. 1970. The correct answer is option C, 1964. Slide 9. SIDBI has been a backbone for small and medium industries in India. When was SIDBI established? A. 1985, B. 1990, C. 1995, D. 2000. The right answer is option B, 1990. Slide 10. The Booker Prize has honored several Indian authors over the years. Who won the Booker Prize in 1997 for The God of Small Things? A. Salman Rushdie, B. Arundhati Roy, C. V.S. Napal, D. Kiran Desai. The correct answer is option B, Arundhati Roy.